Is it time to buy or sell Klotho Neuroscience stock? In this video, we will explore Klotho Neuroscience in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 9th of June, 2025, and we are here now to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 5th of June, 2025, our system has classified Klotho Neuroscience as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 832.85% since we initially recommended purchasing Klotho Neuroscience 3 days ago. This amounts to an average return of 277.62% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of the latest developments, we are unable to ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could potentially move in either direction. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 3.48% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 91.61% to 3.48%. Our latest daily update for Klotho Neuroscience includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Klotho Neuroscience Incorporated stock price on Monday, moving between 0.645 and 1.84. The Klotho Neuroscience Incorporated stock price gained 787.8% on the last trading day, Monday, the 9th of June, 2025, rising from 0.205 to 1.82. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues this upward trend or takes a minor pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 185.27% from a low of 0.645 to a high of 1.84. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 846.44% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume has also surged on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 1 billion more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 1 billion shares were bought and sold for approximately 1.92 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was 1.84, while the lowest price was 0.115. Currently, the price is 1.09%, or 0.02, below the 52-week high of 1.84, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Klotho Neuroscience Inc. has announced groundbreaking findings that could significantly affect both life expectancy and health span by targeting the alpha-Klotho gene. This gene, when activated, has shown promise in reducing age-related degeneration across multiple organ systems, positioning KLTO at the forefront of biotechnology focused on longevity. Such innovation aligns with rising consumer interest in health and wellness, suggesting potential for long-term growth. The company's strategic moves further bolster its profile. Recently, KLTO has made key appointments to its advisory board, notably experts like Dr. Merritt Kudkowitz and Dr. Makoto Kurowo, the latter recognized for his pioneering work on the Klotho gene. The expertise brought by these leaders enhances investor confidence and strengthens the company's scientific foundation. Participation in prestigious forums like the Biotech Showcase during J.P. Morgan Healthcare Week is another strategic asset. Engaging with over 3,200 healthcare professionals and 1,200 investors can amplify KLTO's visibility and attract investment, critical for funding future research and development. In the short term, these developments could elevate KLTO's stock price due to heightened interest from investors, driven by the company's innovative approach and leadership in a high-demand sector. Long-term, successful results from ongoing clinical trials and a robust pipeline focused on significant health challenges could solidify KLTO's market position and further drive stock appreciation. Overall, Klotho Neuroscience's recent achievements may create a compelling narrative for both immediate and sustained shareholder value. Analysts have assigned Klotho Neuroscience stock a general strong sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio and price-to-book value both as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Klotho Neuroscience. Klotho Neuroscience Incorporated stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there's a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of 0.419 and 0.231. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, May 13, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 1,300%. Further growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical indicator. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a buy signal 19 days ago. Bollinger also indicated a buy signal 19 days ago. The short-term moving average revealed a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average displayed a buy signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 18 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 2 days ago. For more insights and signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Klotho Neuroscience. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level. Under the right conditions, the stock may face significant challenges in the coming days. This stock is expected to experience considerable fluctuations throughout the day, as indicated by a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, categorizing it as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock demonstrated a movement of $1.20 between its high and low, reflecting a fluctuation of 185.27%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 56.62%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Klotho Neuroscience, let's quickly examine some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies go through challenging periods, often due to factors outside of their control. Nonetheless, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and could raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Klotho Neuroscience. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and use volume to guide your exit strategy. Conversely, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, suggesting that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain circumstances. Exercise caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. Our recommended stop loss is set at $1.76, which reflects a decline of 3.1%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, contributing to a heightened level of risk. The relative strength index calculated over 14 days stands at 95, which further amplifies the potential risks involved. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom that was identified 18 days ago. Is Klotho Neuroscience stock a good buy? Klotho Neuroscience Inc. displays several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate. meaning you may want to hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 10th of June, we anticipate that Klotho Neuroscience will open lower by approximately 38.5 cents, starting at $1.44. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.